In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly group elements together in Wix. Whether you're building a stunning website or just getting your feet wet with Wix, understanding how to group elements can substantially enhance your design efficiency and ensure a consistency that will captivate your audience. Grouping elements together allows you to move, resize, and animate these elements as a single unit, streamlining your workflow and giving your website a cohesive look. To get started, let's talk about how you can select the elements you want to group. You have a couple of options here, both straightforward and adaptable to your preferred working style. The first method is simply clicking and dragging your cursor over the elements you want to include in your group. This technique is quite intuitive. Just imagine you're drawing a rectangle around everything you want to group. Once you release the mouse button, all the enclosed elements will be selected. Alternatively, if you require more precision and control, you can hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, use the CMD key if you're working on a Mac, and click each element individually. This approach allows you to pick and choose the exact elements you want without the hassle of inadvertently selecting others. Once you've highlighted all your desired elements with either method, it's time to group them. Press the Group Elements button. This magic button is your gateway to creating a group, treating those selected elements as one cohesive entity. Now that your elements are grouped, you can easily move them around your editor. Resize them so they fit perfectly within your layout, and even apply a uniform animation that would apply to the whole group seamlessly. Of course, there might come a time when you decide that these elements should no longer be bound together. Perhaps you need to individually tweak one component for further customization. Fear not, because ungrouping them is just as simple. First, click on the group that you've created in your editor. Doing so will select the entirety of your grouped elements. Then hit the Ungroup Elements button. Bear in mind that ungrouping these elements has an important caveat. Any animation that was added to the group will be removed. So, if you've crafted a perfectly synchronized animation effect, be sure to take note or save your work previously. Now that the elements are ungrouped, you can freely move, resize, and edit each one as you see fit. By utilizing these straightforward techniques, you can maintain a flexible, creative process while ensuring that your Wix design remains professional and polished. Embrace this newfound skill and let it help you bring your web design ambitions to life. Thank you for tuning in, and happy designing with Wix.